notice when I'm not there, cause I wanna show you that I care. And I compliment your natural hair and talk to you about your problems and try to help solve them, cause I know real niggas scared, huh? That's probably the reason you scared, huh? Them lame niggas got you fed up. Put your trust in me and just focus.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deja and I am becoming Dr. Kerr.
Come and ride with me, baby. You don't need no one else. Intellect, I get you, then teach you more about yourself.
So today I'm coming at you with my hair already done, as you can see. I just wanted you to be able to really soak in these results before we even get it started. So today is a special video. I am following Camille Royelle's beginner-friendly flat twist tutorial. Beginner-friendly flat twist tutorial. I don't think you understand how many times I've done that. To create this look on my hair. This is day one hair. So the volume, the definition of this day one hair, she did something. She did something, and I'm so happy to have followed it because it is bomb. If you don't know Camille, I'm putting you on because she is great. She has great content. She keeps it popping. On Instagram, she keeps it popping. I will have her Instagram down below. I will have her channel down below. I will have the video that I used to create this video right about here. And you'll see little snippets of the video popping up as I go through this tutorial. So yeah, just want to come in and introduce that and say I'm excited to have done this with her. And to have used the products that she used, because first of all, I have never used the Design Essentials avocado and almond or almond and avocado line before. So she put me on and our hair is defined and our hair is full and our hair is soft and we are happy. So big shout outs to Camille. But yeah, if you want to learn more about how I accomplished this look, just keep on watching. So I did apply the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Leave-In Conditioner while I was in the shower. Camille said she then parts her hair into 4 sections, but my hair was already sectioned off from when I was in the shower. So I'm just taking the first section down, and then I am spraying it with some aloe water. Y'all know how I love my aloe water. And next, Camille says she used a moisturizer. I'm not sure which moisturizer she used, so I'm using the Almond and Avocado Twist and Setting Lotion. And I'm just spraying that all in my hair. And next, Camille said you want to make sure your hair is thoroughly detangled. So I'm just going ahead and detangling my section. And then I just split that first section into 2 sections vertically. And like Camille, I'm using the Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. So like Camille, I just applied a couple of pumps to my section and then used my hand and some tools to work it through. I used a comb and then my brush. And once I was done with that, I used my rat tail comb to get the other part of this section out of my way. And then I just started following her tutorial on how to flat twist. I'm not going to play the sound for y'all right now, even though I am in a later clip, because I was struggling, okay? I was getting confused. She was explaining it very well, but I just had to practice a few times before I felt comfortable showing y'all, because this is the face of confusion. Okay, so I practiced on the first 3 out of these 4 sections I put at the very top of my head, and I felt okay on this last section, so I'm just combing it through. And then I'm going to go ahead and get my mousse. Now this pump was giving me hell, okay? It was not so smooth sailing, but we got the product out. So we're just going to put it on our section and work it through with our hands and tools. To begin your flat twist, you want to grab 2 pieces and begin to cross them over. I slowed it down so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Each time you want to slide your index finger through the hair that's not in your hands and add it to the piece that's in your hand and cross over. So as you can see, I was doing this a little bit differently. I was taking the 2 pieces and crossing them over and then placing both pieces into one hand, but the other hand, I was using the whole hand to help me add the piece instead of just one finger, because the one finger method, yeah, it was not working for your girl. So you want to part, add it to that section, smooth it down, cross over. Part and add to that section, smooth it down, cross over. And you want to repeat that until there's no more hair left to add into the twist. I also realized that I was accidentally doing a lot smaller sections, like per part and crossover, than Camille did, which will probably account for like the difference in the look, which you'll see when I take my hair down. And then you're just going to begin to do a 2-strand twist all the way down to the ends of your hair. This is what the first 4 twists are looking like, and I did go ahead and finish the top half, and I'm not gonna lie, I felt accomplished. Alrighty, so to the back. So all I did right here is just spray a little bit more aloe water on my section, and then I spread a little bit more of the moisturizer on my section just to, get it nice and ready to be detangled. So I still split my section in 2, but instead of using my index finger, I use my thumb. So I'll use my thumb to part and add to the piece that's in my hand, smooth it down. But I typically hold these in the back a little bit more snug just because I can't grip it like I do in the front. But like I said, I part with my thumb, as you see right there, instead of my index finger, and I still part, smooth, cross over, part, smooth, cross over. So I realized here that that's really what I have been doing the whole time, using my whole hand with my thumb as a guide. It was just a little bit easier for me. However, either way, the method was great, and it really worked out to give a great style, as you will see soon. I promise. Until you get to the end where there's no more hair to add, and then you just twist it all the way down into a flat twist. Just a little side note here while I'm twisting. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I usually wear my robe when I'm doing a wet style, but because we went out of town, both of my robes were being washed here and I needed them. I just wanted to show y'all how good my twists were looking with this method. Look at the bounce, look at the shine. So as you guys saw, we did use the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado line. So I did go in with the leave-in conditioner. And then she said she used a moisturizer, but I wasn't sure which one she used. So I used this Twist and Setting Lotion. It was more like a spritz and less like a moisturizer, but it's okay. And then, of course, I used the Curl Enhancing Mousse. Now, Camille said she swears by this, and honestly, from the way that my hair is feeling, I don't know if it's the Twist and Setting Lotion or if it's this mousse or if it's both, but it feels like it is going to set. Like, my hands feel like sort of sticky. And that's good because these are like more juicy than I'm used to. Even though the top is really defined, I'm a little nervous about how the definition of like this part is gonna come out because as you can see, it's already starting to like get a little bit more juicy. They look good. They look great. They look shiny. They look well moisturized and all of the things that I like to see. I'm just a little nervous about this definition at the front just because they're so juicy, but I'm excited to see how this is gonna turn out. So Camille said that she sits under the dryer for like 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I guess I'll just let it like dry on its own for the rest of the night, and I will see you guys in the morning. Alrighty, so it is the next day, and this is what my twists are looking like. Just a disclaimer, I do sleep with my hair banded with scrunchies just to create and hold extra stretch. For takedown, I'm using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Strengthen and Protect 5 Essential Oil Blend. This is my favorite. It smells amazing. So here I am just beginning to take down my hair. I do start kind of like at the bottom center of my twist instead of the very bottom. I don't know why. It's just an easier method for me. So yeah, I'm just going to undo the twist. And then when I get to where the flat twist starts, I'm going to carefully separate the pieces as I untwist them. I'm just going to do this one in normal speed so you can just see how I really take them down without any speed alterations. But after we do this one, I'm going to play a little music for you guys and let y'all vibe while we speed through a little takedown. And yes, somewhere between yesterday and today, I did break my right pinky nail. If you see it, you don't, okay?
Think about it in your past time. The last time we linked up was real. The vibe you can feel, can't let that be the last time. So I'ma pick you up. Know you've been down in your luck, but it's cool, cause I'ma lift you up. You love when we link up. And I don't wanna play no more games with you, girl. Cause you know I feel the same way, the same as you, girl. Let me take you to paradise. We go together like a paradise. I'm a summer breeze through your hair at night. Let's link up and chill, girl, you cool as ice. Bless you, know that I want you, and you know that I need you. Been playing games, but I can pause them if I need to. I'm feeling you, cause these other women so see-through. Just let me see you.
So as you can see, I just transitioned to after I had taken the back twist down as well. And this is what my hair was looking like. After we've taken everything down, I'm going to put some more oil on my hands. I'm going to show you guys how much oil I put. Usually like, hope you can see, about that much. You might not be able to see because my hands are already slippery. But yeah, and I'm going to go through and just separate like any pieces that feel tight. I love, love, love definition, so I'm not going to separate too much. And of course, I'm not going to show you guys every separation. But yeah, just a couple so you can see how I break them apart and separate for a little more volume. Okay, so this is the final look. So, thoughts. Okay, one, I think Camille did her thing because I don't know how to flat twist. Like, I know how to rig a flat twist. But up until last night, I had never done like a flat twist out on my hair ever. And this method really did well for volume. Like my hair is a lot bigger than my normal twist out on day one. And I can appreciate that. I am a definition girl. I like definition. I believe that over time, volume gets better, definition gets worse. So if you start off with good definition, you know, you can like increase the volume over time, but you start off with good volume and your definition wasn't good to begin with, then it's just gonna get worse over time. So I appreciate how like it's still very defined, like super duper duper defined, but it's like nice and voluminous, and as it gets bigger, it'll still keep a good definition. I like the way that she chose to place the twist. So instead of like doing them this way and going down, she went, you know, half the head up, half the head back. And I think it really did a good job with like lifting the hair and giving good volume. That's the look. And I just wanted to give y'all a minute to really take in this hair. It looked so good. Thanks, Camille. Camille did her thing. That was really good, easy, beginner-friendly twist out to follow. And I think that the results speak for themselves. They speak for themselves. I like it. So as always, this is a channel about growth and hair. It's just one of the ways. So if you would like to embark on a journey with me, I would love, love, love to have you. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe and you just so happen to enjoy my content or find me helpful, be sure to ring that little notification bell because I will have more content coming to you soon. I hope you have a great morning, afternoon, or night, whatever time you might be catching this, and I appreciate you for watching.
Tender love and care and everything else you're missing, I'm not there, cause